Hi friends, today in this video we will learn the autofill and flash fill feature of Excel. For more videos about Excel, there is the link in the description box, Excel playlist. So let us start without wasting the time. First we will do the autofill feature. I am typing here January. After typing January, select the cell. Go to the bottom right corner, the mouse pointer sign will change to a plus sign. Then press the left mouse button and drag it down. January, February, March, April, the month names of the year will be filled automatically. Next, same can be done with the weekdays. Like here, I'm typing Sunday. Then again select the cell, take the mouse pointer to the bottom right corner of the cell, press the left mouse button and drag it. The weekdays names will be filled automatically. Now for filling any numbers, like I will fill 1 and 2. First two numbers we have to fill for the series. Then select both the cells. Again take the cursor to the right bottom corner. Then press the left mouse button and drag it. The series will be filled automatically. Like I want to display only even numbers, I will type 2 and next cell I will type 4. Select both the cells and drag the mouse pointer. So even numbers will be filled. For filling the odd numbers, I will fill 1 and 3. Then select both the cells and drag the mouse pointer. The odd numbers will be filled. This is all about the autofill feature. So next we will do the flash fill feature. For that I had typed some data already in the sheet. So here name and surname both are typed for a person like Neeraj Arora. So I want to make them separate. Neeraj should be in one cell and the surname Arora should be in the another cell. For that we will use the flash fill feature of the Excel. So here I will type the first name Neeraj. After and the surname column I will type Arora. So for making the flash fill, I will select the next cell to Neeraj and then go to the data tab. Here under the data tab, there is a group data tools. Here in the data tools, I will select the flash fill option. When I will click on it, the first name from this column A is filled there in the column B. Similarly, for the surname, I will select this and go to the data tab. Under the data tools, I will select the flash fill. So all the surnames will be filled in this. So this is the feature flash fill. So I hope you would have understand both the features autofill and flash fill of Excel. If you have liked this video, please share with your friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.